Yes, students. Nobody will off your camera, okay? You have to start the class with your camera on. Yeah, yesterday I had completed the chapter Earth and its environment. Clear? Yes, good. Everybody just start with your, you have to be with your notebook, book and a pencil with you. Clear? A notebook, book and a pencil with you. And yesterday I told you that the chapter about the chapter Earth and its environment, and I was taking the revision of that chapter. Clear? I was taking the revision of the chapter now, and we were discussing about the three layer: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. Clear? And some of the student and giving me a good example, okay, so that you were ready with that chapter. Now we the next topic. My discussed till mesosphere. Clear? Mesosphere. Only raise your hand. I am giving us to that particular student the he or she will read that particular topic. Okay, read that particular topic and that explain. And I will ask the 1 marks question answer from that paragraph. Clear? Gunika Gupta. Yes, Gunika, I am going to unmute you. Yes, Gunika Gupta.
Ma'am, you have done 4 chapter.
I will done. May I just wait for that. After completing that chapter, I will start that chapter off.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Gunika, just read that the troposphere. Gunika, read with the topic troposphere. You, Shivansh Gupta. Okay, Shivansh, I am going to unmute you. Shivansh, raise your hand first. Yes, Shivansh. Okay, Shivansh.
Layer troposphere. Range 85 to 690 kilometers. It is the hottest layer, and the temperature in this layer can rise up to 15,000 Celsius.
Yes. Now the next. Now
Exosphere.
range. Shivansh, what is the range of thermosphere?
85 to 690 kilometers.
Very good, Shivansh. Now, which is the hottest layer of the temperature of
Thermosphere.
the atmosphere?
Thermosphere.
Very good. And the temperature rise up to
15,000 degrees Celsius.
very good, Shivansh. It's very good. Now, Shivansh, continue with another layer, exosphere.
Exosphere between 1,000 to 10,000 kilometers. It is the outermost layer of our atmosphere. Many artificial satellites orbit in this layer.
Okay. Okay, exosphere. If we are talking about the exosphere, the range, what is the range of the exosphere?
1,000 to 10,000 kilometers.
Very good, Shivansh. Now, which is the outermost layer of the atmosphere?
Exosphere.
Exosphere, yes. Very good. And in which layer satellites orbit exist?
Exosphere.
Very good. And These 5 layers are very important layers of the atmosphere, and there can be a one layer also. It is ionosphere above the 10,000 kilometer. Okay, the feature. Just read the ionosphere also.
Radio waves travel in this layer and it has ion changes
Ion.
forming inside it.
ठीक है. Ionosphere. Range between the ionosphere. What is the range of ionosphere?
Above of 10,000.
Very good. Exactly. I want that answer. Okay. Now, which is the layer in which layer radio waves travels? In which layer radio?
Ionosphere.
Very good.
Ionosphere.
Very good, bache. Now, now Shivansh. Okay, I'm giving another student chance. अभी मैं और किसी student को chance देती हूँ. Okay. Akanshi Agarwal. Okay, Akanshi, I'm going to unmute you. Shivansh, आप अपने just mute yourself. Akanshi. Akanshi Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start with your topic. Akanshi.
Hydrosphere, the total mass of water percent on the earth in all the three forms.
Yes, continue.
Example, solid, liquid and gas is collectively known as the hydrosphere in the form of oceans, seas, rivers and other water bodies. In liquid form, it covers 71% of the Earth's total surface. It is present in solid ice form in huge quantity at the poles. It also constitutes roughly % of the atmospheric water vapor. The first life forms and considered to be involved in water. Every life forms on Earth is directly or indirectly dependent on the hydrosphere. One pair is done.
Okay, beta. Now, what do you mean by the hydrosphere? Ekanshi, give me the answer. What do you mean by the hydrosphere? Yes, Ekanshi, you have to give the answer also. Ekanshi, am I audible to you? I am giving the chance to Gunika Gupta. Ekanshi, just mute yourself. Gunika Gupta. Ekanshi, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ekanshi, आपने mute किया तो Gunika, what is the answer? What do you mean by hydrosphere? Define hydrosphere. Yes, Gunika. Yes, Gunika. Yes, Kratika. I am going to unmute you, Kratika. Kratika, Gunika, mute yourself. Don't raise your hand if you don't have answer, okay? If you don't know the answer, the student. Yes, Kritika?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, the total mass of water present on the earth in all the three forms, solid, liquid, and gas, is collectively known as the hydrosphere.
Exactly, beta. That is the correct
Ma'am,
answer.
I am having one doubt also.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in our timetable, there is written that on Saturday, there are assessments. So, ma'am, in assessments, in SST, which chapter will come? So, ma'am, which chapter we have to study and do assessments?
The chapters which have been done. Okay?
So, ma'am, 3 or 5?
Yes, yes. The chapter which have been done. Okay, today is
Ma'am,
the
5 is not fully done now.
you had already done with the teachers. Okay? Only these chapters.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Gansi. Oh, sorry, Kritika. Kritika,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you know about the water bodies in liquid forms?
Sorry, ma'am.
Percentage. How many percentage of water in liquid form on our earth?
Ma'am, 71%.
Okay. Now, how many percentage of the atmospheric water vapor?
Atmospheric.
Yes, water vapor.
Just a second. Ma'am, just a second. Let me.
Right now, we had already 1% beta. Okay. It also
Okay,
consists of
ma'am.
1% of the atmospheric water. Yes, Surbi Goyal, very good. Okay. 1% only. Now, it was the first life form or conceived evolving in which part of the earth? The first
Ma'am, ma'am,
in
may I tell the answer? In
yes,
water.
in water. Exactly correct. Clear. Now, Kritika,
Yes,
just start with.
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Just
Ma'am,
read
your voice
the.
is not clear.
Just beta, read fact bites.
Okay, ma'am. If somehow all the water of the oceans and seas evaporate, the earth would be covered under a 500 feet layer of salt.
Okay. Now that is the example. Example that with that example, with that information, we can know which fact. हम क्या फैक्ट हमको मालूम पड़ रहा है, क्या फैक्ट आप हमें समझ आ रहा है by the receiving read that fact only.
Somehow, मैम अगर जैसे वाटर और ओशंस और सीज का जो पानी इवेपोरेट होता है तो हमें पता चलता है कि जो हमारी अर्थ है वो 500 फीट लेयर ऑफ सॉल्ट से घिरी हुई है.
Okay. From that we can know that the earth is the ocean or sea water are salty. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The quantity of the salt in the seas. If the seas water evaporates, the earth would be covered with the 500 layers of the soil. Okay, Pratika, just read the another paragraph of the hydrosphere, and I will give another to the another student. Okay, hydrosphere.
Okay, ma'am. Hydrosphere is very crucial in the earth weather patterns climate, rainfall, etc. By the by the by the by the weathering and erosion activities, it keeps modifying the Earth's landscape. The amount of water percent on Earth is believed to be constant since its formation. Most of the water percent on Earth is the salt water in the oceans.
Yes. Okay. Now, hydrosphere is very crucial in the Earth weather pattern. It affects the climate, rainfall by the weathering and erosion activities. By the weathering and the erosion activities, it keeps modifying the Earth landscape, which keeps modifying the Earth landscape. Which activities are helpful to weathering and erosion activities? Okay, weathering and erosion activities. The amount of water present on Earth is believed to be constant since its formation. It is believed that when the Earth formation was held, तब से Earth formation हुई थी. Okay, the water were present at that time also. Clear? Most of the water present on Earth is in the salt water. Clear? Now next I am giving chance to another student. Okay. I'm giving the chance to another student who's there in the list. Ishika Gaur. Yes, Ishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute other student. Just mute yourself. Ishika. Okay, Ishika, start.
Biosphere, from microorganisms to the giant whale, all living things are part of the biosphere. It comprises all the living things on our planet. This is the life
Utkarsh Divakar, what are you doing during the class?
sphere which interact with all the other spheres and depend on them for survival. The life forms in an area form an ecological community based on the physical surroundings, reacting with any change in the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere.
Okay. Okay, Ishika, tell me what do you mean by biosphere?
Ma'am, from microorganisms to the giant whale, all living things are part of the biosphere.
Like whale. That is whale.
Okay.
All living things are part of the biosphere. Exactly. It comprises all living things in our planet. This is the life sphere actually, which interacts with all the other sphere also. Okay? It is that you can see in the picture also, in the diagram also, there is a biosphere. It interacts with the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the lithosphere also. On page number 31, there's the diagram. Okay? Biosphere interact with the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the lithosphere also. Okay? Now lithosphere also, and now with all the other sphere depends on them for survival. Clear? The life forms in an area form an ecological community based on the physical surrounding. जो भी physical surrounding है, एक physical community form करती है. Due to these affecting of these all spheres. ठीक है? Starting with any in the it affects if any change in the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Now, just another student, Suhani Agarwal. Yes, Suhani Agarwal. Read another paragraph.
Scientists
Suhani.
believe Scientists believe that between 3 million to 30 million species might exist on this species till date might exist on this earth, but we have been able to identify only 1.6 million species till date. It is a remarkable part of the earth's ecology, as exactly nothing is known about its diversity.
Exactly.
Ma'am,
Ishika, sorry, Sohani, I want to ask you कि how many species till date are identified by the human?
1.6 million.
Exactly. And do you recognize? Do you know the actually the 1 million is? I had told you yesterday 1 million का मतलब क्या है बेटा? 10 lakhs. Clear? ठीक है?
Yes, that I understand.
Okay. It is remarkable the part of the Earth's ecology as exactly nothing is known about its diversity. ठीक है? इतनी डाइवर्सिटी है हमारी अर्थ में दैट वी ह्यूमंस आर नॉट अवेयर दैट कि हमें इतना नहीं उनकी रिगार्डिंग हमें मालूम भी नहीं है. वी आर नॉट अवेयर about the every part of the biosphere. There are many microorganisms, many living things. Okay, and only the 1.6 millions are identified. Clear? Now read next paragraph, Suhani.
The biosphere is limited by climatic conditions, pressures, temperature, and light. It exists in a very narrow zone on the earth. It would extend from the depth in the sea till where sunlight penetrates to the snow line in the tropical and subtropical mountain ranges.
Now that is the limit of the layer of the biosphere. That is in a very narrow zone. And which zone? We can explain. हम कौन सी जोन एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं फॉर डिफाइनिंग द बायोस्फीयर जोन? हाँ बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, I didn't get the question. Means, I didn't get the meaning of the question.
Biosphere exists in a very narrow zone on the earth. ठीक है? बायोस्फीयर एक बहुत नैरो जोन में है अर्थ में. एंड आई वांट दैट एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट जोन. ठीक है? मुझे वो एक्सटेंड चाहिए. अच्छा मैं बता देती हूँ. इट इज एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम द डेप्थ ऑफ द सी. ठीक है? till where the sunlight. Now you got the answer na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sometimes I didn't get the question properly. That's why I can't answer the question.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Just give the answer now.
Ma'am, it's like when the sunlight it expands in the depth of the sea till where the sunlight penetrates to the slow line and I didn't get that one. And subtropical.
Yes. Mountain range.
And subtropical mountain ranges.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay बेटा. सुहानी देखो. It extends from the. I am just giving the answer again. It extends from the depth in the sea. ठीक है? Till where sunlight penetrate मतलब क्या होता है? स्ट्रेन करना, स्ट्रेन चलना, वहां तक पहुंचना, सनलाइट जहां तक पहुंचती है. To the snow line of the tropical and subtropical mountain ranges. A student was asking the meaning of the penetrate means strainer. Clear? You can write down कि strain करके वहां तक पहुंच पाना. ठीक है, strain. Okay. Now I am giving the chance to another student. Last 2-3 paragraphs are there. Gunika. Gunika Gupta. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, healing.
Yes, Gunika. बोलो बेटा.
Also, biosphere is smaller than all the other spheres of the Earth, yet it has been involved in bringing change to other spheres.
Gunika, start your
The
camera.
present
Start your video, beta. हाँ बेटा. Yes, Gunika. जल्दी फटाफट. Okay, hurry up. Yes. Yes, Gunika. Time is running. Read carefully. What happened to you? I think there is network issue. Okay, another student. Devashya Garg. Devashya Garg. Yes, Devashya.
मैम हम ये कह रहे हैं मैम कल हम क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाए थे, वो हमारा मीटिंग पास में इनका दिखा रहा था, इसलिए आपने जो भी वर्क करवाया हमें बता दीजिए.
Beta, I had completed that chapter. Today I am taking the revision. Okay. ठीक है, I had completed that chapter and today I am taking the revision of that chapter. Then I will assess that. ठीक है, there will be the revision test. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Tomorrow I will start next chapter. ठीक है. Okay, read करिए अब. Devashya Garg, just read that although biosphere is smaller than all the other sphere.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Suhani.
Ma'am, still we haven't done the exercise, na?
Yes, beta. Yes, beta.
We'll do it day after tomorrow or day after
Yes,
tomorrow.
after completing that revision. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now okay, so Ani, you just continue with that paragraph.
Although biosphere is the smaller than all the other spheres of the Earth, yet it has been involved in bringing changes to other spheres. The present atmosphere, for example, is a result of the chemical activities carried out by the living beings. All the fossil fuel is formed by the decomposition of the dead organisms in the lithosphere.
Okay, that is very important. Biosphere is in a very small, smaller than other sphere. But if there is any chemical activities done by the living beings and that it affects the biosphere. All the fossil fuel is formed. That is very important line. Just underline that line also. All the fossil fuel is formed by the decomposition of the dead organism in the lithosphere. How the fossil fuel is formed? कैसे? How fossil fuel is formed? Yeah, fossil fuels are formed. बताइए.
Ma'am, the chemical activities that living beings do because of that.
Like the chemical activity, like decomposition, by the decomposition of the dead organisms in the lithosphere. ठीक है? That is the answer. Now continue with the another paragraph.
Our planet Earth has multiple conditions for supporting various life forms. Everything that we have around us and all the resources that we use form our environment. The most unique thing about our environment is that it is very dynamic and not static. It comprises living and non-living elements.
Energetic, not stable, always in the moment, always in the moment. ठीक है? All the living things all the living thing, all the things in our environment. The meaning of the environment is everything that we have around us and all the resources that we use from our environment. ठीक है? From our environment. Everything we have around us and all the resources we use, जो भी हम resources.
What is the meaning of static?
Not static, मतलब not fixed. Okay? Clear? Dynamic, energetic. ठीक है? It comprises living and non-living things. Means our environment comprises all the living and non-living things, and it's have strong correlation with all other elements also. All these elements also are basic needs like food, air, water, shelter, and suitable temperature for all the living beings. Which who provide that? Our environments. हमारे जो environment है, through the environment we can get our food, air, water, shelter, and suitable temperature also. ठीक है? But the human activities, ठीक है, which disturbs our environment. Many human activities, we are polluting our air, we are polluting our rivers, cutting off the forest and all. ठीक है? And and all the ponds, slowly they are vanished from our earth. Clear? Now the correlation. Last I am sum up the topic. ठीक है? All we called. It's very important lesson of correlation. We learned from that chapter 4 spheres. ठीक है? We had already learned from that chapter biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. ठीक है? Hydro. All the spheres are so important and they are interlinked with each other. They are also interlinked with each other. The work is close coordination. ठीक है? And there is a natural coordination with all the sphere. अपने आप एक natural coordination है. If there is any changes in a single sphere, it affects the other sphere also. Even a little disturbances in any one of the sphere, अगर एक भी sphere में कुछ disturbance होता है, eventually affect all the other sphere also. Playing with natural balance can be very disastrous for mankind, and you can see many natural calamities and disaster just because we human beings are playing with our nature. We are destroying our nature, and the new generation, the upcoming generation, you have to be very careful for our nature. Just balancing the nature, ठीक है? So that sustainable development should be carried on. Clear? Now some of the students, if there is any student, some of the students had already asked some queries. If okay, Suhani, you want to ask anything? Yes, yes, beta Suhani. Boli Suhani. You want to ask anything?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of COO? What is the pronunciation of COORDINATION?
In which page, beta?
Ma'am, follow 34.
Correlation. Are you
follow it? जो मैम आपने अभी पढ़ा.
There are two words, correlation and coordination. Okay? Coordination and correlation. Okay? Okay.
Ma'am, what is the